we will try something new. Hey guys, this is the Ocean Halo, the seaweed snack. It says on there pure natural and sea salt, cause that is because it's included on there. It's a sea salt, but I like to try it today.
Okay, and this is what Barrett picked out at Walmart. He's been watching some YouTube videos where kids have been talking about trying seaweed, and so he wanted to try these seaweed snack. So we're going to pause it, open the pack, and then we will show you guys how he likes it.
So now I'm going to be trying some seaweed.
Just take a bite.
It tastes like paper almost, but it's food. I'm trying to... It's like edible paper. Almost, it's good.
Do you like it? One thumbs up?
Yeah.
Would you ever eat it again?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.
I don't think it's good. It's like paper, like paper, not even seaweedy days. Because it has sea salt in it.
Okay, Barrett, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.